the CNC router works now. So, if I start a program, you'll figure out what it is once it starts cutting. The first operation is just cutting a hole that I'll put a screw in. So, just going to move the CNC out of the way, and again put it up. So I'm going to crash the machine first, and then move it out of the way. I'm moving the camera because it's zoomed in a lot, not a while. I'm just going to take one of these screws. And it's not focusing, but it's a screw. Simple enough. Gotta hold it down so I don't have to use tabs, which I don't really like because I don't like tabs. That's it. You have to like sand them down and everything. Just annoying to do. Then I can get that nice machine finish if I don't use tabs. Alright. That's good. Now I'll just load the next file and start cutting. And hopefully nothing will go wrong. It is going to cut that screw a little bit, but it shouldn't be too much of a problem. And there we go. Yeah, I just cut the screw a little bit, but I knew that was going to happen. Yeah, you can't really see what it looks like because terrible camera angle and there's chips covering it. And it's a black piece of plastic. But the program's almost over. It just takes 2 passes. I'm going to take this off the tripod and give you a closer look. That's the logo of my robotics team, because none of you guys probably recognize it. I doubt you would. As you can see, the piece of wood I'm planting on there, it's probably not level to the machine. Well, it's not, as you can see. Because in some areas, like right here, cut all the way through, over here, it did not. So I think I'm just going to lower the Z height and recut that. And we'll be back in a minute. This is what the logo looks like directly off the CNC. As you can see, it didn't cut that little area right here, but it's very thin. I can just do it with a deburring tool or a knife, and it'll be back. Well, be instant for you guys. The magic of video, but I'm just going to sand that down, maybe file and deburr, use a deburring tool, and see how nice it looks. I finished sanding it down, or I mostly sanded it down. It got most of the burrs off. There's still a couple more, as you can see, but it looks pretty nice. This is actually like the 5th one I made. I made 2 of them that worked good. This is the 3rd one that looks good, but the first couple I made, probably more than 3 I made, that they just absolutely failed. Takes a lot of work to get something right on the C.N.C. A lot of practice, and I'm out of practice. But, also as you can see, there's that little mark where I put the screw. Probably tighten that less next time. But, other than that, pretty good keychain accessory.